Hello, my name is Thomas Lobo. I'm one of the design engineers at Atlanta Home Theater, and today I will be rewiring a rack system for a theater and house. Typically, it's a couple days, depends on how complicated the system is. This system is not overly complicated. It looks like it, but it's not as complicated as it looks. Because power wire is thick, it takes longer to get it under control. So usually I take the first day and I'll run power. If this was a brand new system, I would run power for every piece of equipment in here, and usually that takes me an entire day to do all of it. And then after that, then I'll start running in all the low voltage stuff, usually doing speakers last because I don't want it buried inside a trunk line where I can't figure out why it's making noise, if it ever picks up any hums or ground noise, something like that. The reason it's like this right now is because we did a lot of testing different products in here, and then before we made it clean, we wanted to make sure it worked. So now that it works and we know we're not changing anything else, we're gonna now clean it all back up. But I'll start with the power. I always do power first. And power is always on the opposite side from the low voltage. So when I'm done, this will all be nothing in the middle. It'll be low voltage down the middle, power down the side. This was done a long time ago. Like, I'm gonna reconfigure all of this, but these have zip ties on them. It's something I don't like to use on an equipment rack because it pulls tight on the wire and bends it. You can damage the wire, you can reduce connectivity. This whole equipment rack will be done with Velcro. That way the pinching of the wire can be mitigated. This is super common because it's fast. You can do zip ties real quick. If you can see and track all the wires, if they're all labeled correctly and it's not a nest of wires, then if something goes wrong and needs to be serviced, and if the client wants to come back here and look at it, they can find it. If one of our guys comes back here, he can find it. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, and that's the real purpose of it is service. The other part of it is really just, it's an art. You don't have to do that to make a system work. That's just part of an expertise that we offer.